everyone, and today we are gonna be playing the longest hole in Roblox. In the part one video of yesterday of me showing you the longest hole in Roblox actually was kind of made in 2008. This is where it was created in um December 14, 2008. So this is when this game was created. But we're going to be playing this game. They did do some updates to it. So it's not like the 2008 one. So let's play the longest hole in Roblox. So let's load into that. So here we go. So you get all of these badges, pretty cool, and you get the all of these badges, which is pretty cool, and so yeah, so we're gonna be playing the longest hole in Roblox. So here we go. So we're gonna be playing this. So we're gonna be loading. I don't know where it is. Let me go get it. Let's see, where is it? Alright, it's right there, and we're just gonna actually let me see. Alright, so we're gonna be loading into so here we go. So oh my gosh, why is everybody flying, you guys? Alright. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. Everybody's freaking oh my gosh, you guys. I just flew in the air for some reason. No! How? That was a freaking glitch. Bro, did y'all see that? I just like flew into the air, you guys. This was crazy. Alright. So I don't know what's actually happening in this game, but we're just gonna check it out. So yeah, so I'm gonna get the you get the flew up in the air. That's cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna fall. There we go. Alright, and let's okay. I think I'm stuck in the air, you guys. Bro, get me out of here. Get me out of this air. Oh gosh. Alright, so I just gotta hit the balloon button. I think it just froze right now. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think it just froze. Yeah, just it. These are the people who are coming up. These are the winners. Alright, so now we froze. I think I'm just like stuck on the thing with my balloon. But yeah, this game is kind of crazy. So I'm just gonna go up like this and just get the balloon so we can like go very up. Look at this, guys. We're freaking. Oh my gosh! Why is there freaking blocks falling down here? This is crazy, you guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna like flew up. There we go. Bro, look at this. This is so crazy, you guys. Alright, so I just got like the balloon, which is like these are how much people are in this game. These are the people who coming up. So yeah, I'm coming up. Leo Cap right there. I'm coming up. So look at this, guys. I can't even like flew up. This is like so crazy. Yo, what is that noise? Do y'all hear that? This is crazy. This game is so crazy, guys. And why is there freaking blocks falling down from right here? This is crazy, you guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna like, ooh, this goes up very faster if you like do this. Alright, wait, I wonder what's even up there, you guys. Cause why is blocks falling down here? Like, that's like so crazy. Guys, if you really want to see the up, like if you really want to see what's up there, well, here's your chance. So you better be watching this so you can see what's actually up there in the longest hole in Roblox. So you'll get to see. So keep your eyes on the screen while I go up there. So yeah, can we still like see the green? No, we cannot see the green, you guys. Oh my gosh, I think we're almost there, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. And where's all these blocks coming from? This is crazy. Somebody has to be up there. Like, for real. Like, Can we like zoom out and see if how much miles we're up there? Oh, I see some green. I see some green. What is up there, you guys? What is up there? What is up there, you guys? What the heck? I really want to see what's up there, you guys. Yo, I want to see what's up there. This is so crazy, you guys. All right. Yo, what? Cause there's no way there's blocks falling like from right there. This is crazy. Yeah. So we're almost there, you guys. I don't know how much levels are in this like whole thing, but yeah, this is very long. This is the longest one. Yeah, I can't even see where I am right now. This is crazy. Alright, so we're just gonna keep going till we see what's actually up there. And I wanna actually see what's up there, and hopefully we see, cause there's nowhere there's blocks like falling down. Okay, so we're in the green part. There we go. Oh my gosh, guys, I think we're almost there. We're almost there. I see some green up there. Oh shoot, guys, we're almost there. Oh my gosh. Alright, we just gotta keep going. Just keep going. Look, we're like all the way up here. Look at this, you guys. Alright. So yeah, we're almost there. I could just like see some like green parts like right there. But yeah, if you guys haven't went up here, make sure you like go up here so you can see what's actually in what's actually happening in this game. I really want to see what's up there, but this is a longest thing. I think this is gonna take forever. I think this is gonna take like years just to get up there. Like years! Alright. So what if I try to put like blocks down there? Alright. And just like hurry up and like flew with my balloon right now. Alright, I'm gonna put blocks up there. You watch this, guys. Alright, I'm gonna put blocks. Wait, why am I on the edge? This is crazy. Alright, so I'm just gonna put blocks up there. Alright, I'm gonna put blocks down there. So you ready, guys? Alright, let's put blocks up there. We did it! We did it! Alright, so we're going up. Oh my gosh, guys. Are we almost there? Oh no, what will we see up there, you guys? Alright, this is very long, you guys. Bro, can we just like freaking go up there? Cause I want to see what's actually up there. And this is crazy. This is long. Okay. This is long. This is like a long thing. I don't know. Oh gosh, I see something up there, you guys. I think we're actually almost there till we get there, which is like where are we actually? Let's see. We're what happens if I'll hit like the fall button? Yeah, you just like fall. Alright, so yeah, I really like this actually. Like, what is actually up there, you guys? Like, there's like falling blocks like falling down from that hole right there. I really actually want to see what's actually up there. This is so crazy, you guys. There's no way this guy built this when it's so long. So I don't know what's up there, but I just like see a sky up there. So like in this area right there. So I think we're like almost there. I'm assuming. Yup, we're almost there. Bro, when are we there? I wanna see what's actually up there. Like, is it like the same thing? Something? I don't really know if it's the same thing. Okay, what would we actually see up there? Cause I wanna see what's actually up there and see what's actually up here. Like, I wanna see like what's up here. Okay, I'm gonna fall because this is actually taking forever. I don't even want to see what's up there, you guys. But yeah, I just have to drop down because this takes forever. So yeah, look at this, guys. We're flying. Woo! Alright. So I don't know what I'm freaking doing. I'm just like flying in the air, you guys. Look at this, you guys. Yo, what is y'all doing? Y'all just like made me like long right here. This was like so crazy. So if we get the balloon, actually, I think I need to build like a wall. This thing is actually pretty cool. Oh yeah, so I don't know what's actually happening, but if you guys really want to see what's actually up there, because I really want to see, but it's so long. Like this is crazy, you guys. All right. So, oh, what is this? What is this? And why is this girl just like standing up there? Hi, why are you on top of my head? All right. So let me see if we can actually like go up there. Actually, all right. I think we need like this just to go up there. Yeah, you just need this. Okay, and then fall down. All right. So we're up there. So it looks like it says there is a store where you can buy faster balloons to help speed up your travels. Good luck. So you can get like so many things. So it says there is a store where you can buy faster balloons to help you speed up your travels. Good luck. So that's cool. What is you doing? Stop hopping. You're not an NPC. Alright, yeah, you're not an NPC. So it looks like it says, fun fact, this game was created in 2018. 2008. So, pretty a long time, actually. That guy was actually right. This game was created in 2018. This is so crazy, you guys. So, it says your journey begins here. Good luck. Yo, why is y'all blocking stuff? What the heck? I think it's these bacons right here. They just like blocking stuff. I think it's these bacons right here. Like, what the heck? Alright. Yo, why y'all keep blocking stuff? This is crazy right now. Alright. Yo, I think he just falled right now. Yo, why is everybody falling? This is so crazy, you guys. Alright. So, who's this Jax the Max 47? And looks like he looks weird actually. What the heck? That girl just like flew up. What the heck? Yo, what the heck is she doing? Alright. Let me see if I could actually like flew. And then we're just gonna fall down. Alright. And let's see. What is actually happening, you guys? And who in the world is actually building these blocks? Like, these are so crazy, you guys. I don't even know where the red button is. Like, this is so confusing. Like, who did this? Alright. So, yo, what is y'all doing? I don't know what this bacon is doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna build like a wall. Like, how about like, I don't know what to. Let's see. I'll just like put it in like this area. I don't know where to put the wall. Should it like? Oh, that's a cool thing. What is this? All right. Okay, and I just like did this. What the heck? All right. Yo, did y'all see that? That globy girl just like, yo, what the heck? Alright. Yo, did y'all see this right now? Who's Jeff the Max? He's back. Alright. So, wait, why are there freaking so many bacons in this game, you guys? What the heck? Alright. So, if this video ends, I'll do like a part 2 of this. If the video like ends. This is good luck. This is like good luck. So, yeah, this is the information center. It's weird. So, yo, what the heck is actually happening, you guys? Alright. So, I think I'm gonna like go up here. They look like they put some blocks. Just gonna make that fall. So, alright, let's go up and let's fall. Alright. Let's go. Alright. Alright. So, I'm gonna fall. I'm just gonna fall.